We are here to engage with the Chief of Defense Staff on the direction of Mr. President. Mr. President has directed CDS to take control of the crisis that we're having in the Niger-Delta operational area. Clearly, oil thefts and vandalism have become a major national issue. We do have line of sight around what must be done, what should be done. Mr. President has directed the CDS to ensure that we contain this within the shortest frame of time so that we can restore national production to the level that Mr. President and our country is expecting. And to do this, it needs the coordination and cooperation of all armed forces, the police, the DIA, the Department of Military Intelligence, and everyone in Nigerian police, the DSS, and everyone is on board to see that this activity goes forward so that we can restore production. Not only that, it is the survival of our country that is at stake today. Without restoring oil and gas production, we cannot have that economic stability that we all desire. And Mr. President is clearly focused on this to deliver value to our country. It is impossible to do this without having settlement around the crisis that we have in our operational area. We're already seeing progress. We are seeing substantial value that is being created by the coordination and cooperation. And I do not know the specifics of what the armed forces and government agencies will do, but we are very, very convinced that the solution is our side. Thank you very much, CDS.
The meeting we had today was a security meeting. We accept that we have challenges, and we accept that we must all come together to solve these problems. So we need the cooperation of everybody. All agencies are collaborating. We need the cooperation of members of the public. We need to take every step that we need to take to address all these issues. So I'm going to assure you that in the days ahead, we are going to see results of what we have discussed here today.
The truth about it is that whatever is happening in the South-South has been ongoing for such a very long time. And we feel it is high time that it is stopped. What we are promising Nigerians is that henceforth, the entire South-South will be cleared of any acts of vandalism, criminality within the general area. Like we said, the President has given us a mandate to ensure that we secure the entire South-South and to enable NNPC and other IOCs carry out their attacks so that we can have improved production. We know that Nigeria relies so much on what we can produce. And so we want to use this medium to appeal to the communities, to have an understanding. Yes, we know trust has been a problem, but they can trust us, they can trust the government that we want to do things differently. Everyone will be carried along. Everyone has a role to play. It is not only for the security agencies alone. We need the communities to understand that pipeline vandalism and all the hazards being caused is also affecting them directly. And we need to stop that. We need to work together. And this meeting we had today is to harmonize that based on the mandate that the President has given us. We're going to work together as a team. All the operations will be harmonized, coming under the Joint Task Force with the land components of all the other agencies. And we're going to work and bring results. And I can assure you, within the next shortest possible time, 2-3 months, you will see results coming in. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.